Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making Sloppy Joe baked potatoes. This is what we need to make Sloppy Joe baked potatoes. 6 medium baking potatoes, 1 pound ground beef 85% lean. I'm going to be using 93% lean. 1 can manwich, 15.5 ounces, thick and chunky. 1 can 8 ounces of tomato sauce, no salt, but I just got the regular kind. 3/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 6 tablespoons reduced fat sour cream. I've just got the regular. 1/3 cup sliced green onions to garnish. So let's begin. The first thing that you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 425. You want to go ahead and take your baking potato and pierce it a couple of times on both sides. And you want to make sure that your potatoes are washed and dried. And you want to take some olive oil. I just have mine on a paper towel, and just generously, and you want to just take it and generously rub it all over your potatoes. You could bake your potatoes in the microwave, which would be even quicker, but I like mine baked in the oven. You could also get your oil by using a basting brush. I figured this was just less messy. And a lot of people bake their potatoes in wrapped in foil, but that kind of gets the insides tasting more like it's boiled, because it kind of steams it, because it holds it in the moisture. So it's like a steamed potato instead of a baked potato. But the choice is yours. All right, so they're all oiled. Then you want to go ahead and take some salt and rub it on the potatoes as well. And be generous with that as well. That's what gives the skin flavor. A lot of people like to eat the skins, and this will give it a lot more deliciousness. And the skins will be crispy, and the insides will be nice and soft. Hopefully, that's the plan. I have baked potatoes a lot of different ways, in foil, just plain, rubbed in oil, but I have never put salt on them. So this will be something new for me. So you want to go ahead and put the potatoes in a 425-degree oven. For 45 to 50 minutes, and halfway through you can turn your potatoes over so they don't get burnt on the bottom. and back into the oven they go. And while those are finished cooking, we'll go ahead and start the sloppy joe part. And you want to go ahead and dump your hamburger in the pan. Put your heat on to medium-high and cook it until brown and no longer pink. So it looks like my hamburger is brown. This is the time where you drain it if you need to. I use 93% lean and I hardly ever have to drain it. And this would be a good idea if you have a gathering of friends. You could give everybody a baked potato and set up a potato bar. And they can put whatever toppings they want on there. You could do the sloppy joe, you could do taco or chili or broccoli and cheese. Whatever anybody wanted. It would be a lot of fun. Next we'll go ahead and dump in the 1 can of manwich thick and chunky. And the 8 ounces of tomato sauce. And stir that all up. And then you want to go ahead and simmer it for 5 minutes or until it gets hot. So I'll turn it down to a simmer. The potatoes are done. They baked for 50 minutes. I did the fork test. They went in there real easily. And you want to take your potato and cut it down the middle and kind of squeeze it open to open it up a little bit and kind of fluff it up with a fork. And you want to go ahead and put a scoop of the sloppy joes. They say about a half a cup, but I'm not sure how much, however much you want. Put some cheese on it. And then put a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of green onions. Okay, so here is our sloppy joe baked potato, and rounding off the meal is avocado ranch salad. I'll go ahead and let my husband give it a taste test.
That's a pretty nice combination of flavors. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.